Hey everybody, when you going up and down them hills, before you even start on the road, of course, pre-trip, especially the brakes. But I was just curious about what it looks like to use runaway ramps. So this is very eye-opener for somebody that's just curious how much a runaway ramp can possibly save your life and lessen the accident. It might not completely lessen the accident, but it can lessen the accident to where you can walk away and it's not something that where you're killing a bunch of other people and you still have a chance to survive yourself. So I hope you enjoy this clip. And yes, this is very educational to me, so enjoy.
Came out of Eisenhower Tunnel. I saw the truck's brakes were smoking pretty bad.
Jesse Terrell says this scene was even more frightening after what he saw on the news a day earlier.
Wow, I really hope that nothing bad happens.
And then that truck made the right move.
Kudos to that guy because he did a great job of maintaining control.
He used the runaway truck ramp.
30 years of living here in Colorado, I've never seen one used.
It's tough to nail down a number of just how often trucks use these ramps.
All winter this year, we've probably had 2.
Steve Carver owns Big Steve Towing in Gypsum and is part of a rotation with CSP to help get these trucks off the ramps.
On average, on just getting one that goes and hits a runaway ramp, normally you can look at approximately 4 hours. You're probably going to look in the neighborhood maybe of $2,500.
Big Steve says the cost goes up if the wreck is bigger.
We have had them go up the ramp and out the top and roll over.
CDOT built 14 of these runaway truck ramps in the state, and today they could only tell us the data for one of them. This ramp near Mount Vernon, the one the trucker in last week's crash is accused of passing. CDOT says 9 trucks have used that ramp since 2016. Big Steve says it's a problem that could be avoided if truckers just got to know the terrain a bit better.
And once they get going too fast and get their brakes hot, there's no stopping them.